Anybody who owned a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera has been waiting for this particular accessory. This is the SOONWELL power handle, and it is the very first power handle of its kind to be available for any platform anywhere. And today we're going to unbox it for you. Now, we will have a full review in the future, so let's get started. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's open this bad boy on up. Oh, solid, solid. Okay, looks good up top. Looks really good up top. As you can see, the handle here, solid. I don't know what this is for, but we got the black handle with the beige grip. It feels really, really, really good. Really solid in the hand. It feels like metal, almost like a Glock. If you ever used a firearm, it feels almost like a Glock. Really heavy, solid, well-made material. The rubber grip feels good. It feels like quality, to be honest with you. You got your power button here in the back, which is pretty dope. I guess let's cut it on. Let's look at some of the other stuff we got. You got different mounting options. Here's a rail with the spring-loaded knob. That's pretty dope. You can probably mount it on the top of different handles. You got your airy connector if you want to put it on your rail system. If you want to put it on your 15mm rail system, here's another handle and one more plate. So you got a plate as well. That gives you a lot for the money when it comes to this thing. You got a lot of mounting options, so you don't have to have, any specific cage. Oh, you also get a dummy battery, a LPE6 dummy battery, so you can plug right into the Blackmagic, and different cables. You get a D-tap cable, another, I forgot the name of these cables, but you get tools as well. And let's see, another D-tap cable. Them cables alone are like $30. You get all of your screws and accessories you need to connect it to any cage, or probably directly to the Blackmagic, but definitely if you have a cage. So you kind of get a lot for your money to still also get a 70-watt battery, which should probably power this thing for hours. Those D-tap cables, like I said, alone when you purchase them are normally around $30 each. So that's like $60 worth of cables, or at least 15 to 30, depending on where you get them from. The cheap ones, $15, but if you've seen my video of how my Blackmagic got fried the last time, you know I'm not going that route. But this thing feels solid in the hand. You got 2D taps, you got a 12 volt, you got an 8 volt, you got a 5 volt USB, and I like that you can see how much battery is left on the side. It's pretty dope. You got a mounting options on the bottom, you got more mounting options on the top. Look at that. So this thing is super solid. We're gonna continue with a full review of this coming up, but for now, hit that thumbs up button if you like it, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.